This right here is as black and white as they get. What's up, everybody? This is Chris Tisdale with COINTABLE. We're gonna go look at some PCGS coins. Let's do it. What do you guys think about the new black boxes? I like them. I think I asked you guys that last time. But tell me in the comments, what do you think? In case anybody's wondering, I like to listen to Macklemore sometimes while I work. All right, here we go. Oh, I love it when we get a start like this. This is a 1964 proof cent. 69 deep cam. It's a top pop. 1970 proof cent in 68 deep cam. It's a beautiful one. Here's a 1953 proof cent, graded 67 plus, red. Here's a 1964 proof dime, 69 deep cam. And honestly, you guys, for these proofs that are 1950 to 1964, this right here is as black and white as they get. It's not the most valuable coin ever, but they're nice to look at. This is a cool one. It's got some cool color, 1964, graded proof 66. Rainbow. 1970 proof nickel in 69 deep cam. You know, it's taken me a really long time on these 68 through 71 proofs to get to the point where I can weed out most of the ones that are not worth grading. But I still slip one in every once in a while. This one's a 68 deep cam. And you guys, I like these coins because they're inexpensive. Anybody can go out and buy a 1970 proof set. This coin here is going to be, you know, I don't know, I'm confident it's either close to 100 or over 100. And for the ones that don't quite make the cut, you know, I'll still be able to sell this for $25 on eBay. So I'm not going to lose money by grading it. And I try to send coins like that. This one here, this 1952D, graded MS65 full bell lines. I actually found this as a single at the last local coin show that I was at. Just a nice original 1952 D Franklin. It's a business strike and it's a better date for 65 FBL. Here's a 1960 D in MS65. It's got some slight, I mean nothing crazy, but slight toning on it. And I got this from somebody on Instagram. Gosh, I wish I could remember who off the top of my head. There's a 1954 that graded 64 FBL. This coin here, I submitted a handful of coins for a friend, and these are his. And so these next 10 are his actually. So or 15 maybe, I don't remember, but either way, these are his and we're gonna go through them. Might as well share them with you. Here's a 1961 that he sent in, graded proof 68. Really good coin. The kid has a really good eye. He's new, or at least relatively new to the coin game. A 1955 dime in MS66. But this guy Jake, he's a super cool dude and he's learning very quickly, and I expect him to be a player in the coin game long term. Here's a 1937 S graded MS63. Now these are some, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see them, but there's some rainbow toned cents, and yeah, it's just going to be hard to get them on the video here, but I guess you're just going to have to take my word for it. They're super cool. They've got really, really good luster, and this one's got really good edge toning. 1941 in 64 red brown. You can see that one a little better. This one here, 1942D in MS65 red brown. 1944 in 65 red brown. And that's got some beautiful color. There we go. (1945S) MS65 red. Just a really solid 66. Nice and original. Here's a 1946S in 65 red brown. Wow. Something down there in the temporary office just took a tumble, and I have no idea because no one is even in this office besides me, apparently. So maybe there's something I don't know. But anyways, here we have a 1947D 65 red brown. Also has really good edge toning. I think these are pretty standard for original coins that you would pull out of an album. But nonetheless, they're super cool looking. In fact, they're very nice looking in person. So, Jake, you did good, bud. Here's a 65 red, 1949 in 65 red. And let's see what we got in this other box. It's just a few more. Ooh, that's pretty. I mean, that's like way pretty, guys. That's the one. 1949D and 66 red. Look at that. I'm sorry about these terrible videography skills, but I'm doing the best I can based on what I have to work with. That is an absolute stunner. Coin of the batch right there so far. Just amazing magentas and greens and blues, yellows. Beautiful coin. Alright, next we've got this beautiful 1952D in 64 red brown. These are those types of coins that are super hard to get. The real beauty in a video or a picture. Here we have a 54 in MS64 red brown. And then he's got, for the last one, we got a 1956 in 65 red brown, and this coin is just beautiful. It's a very nice magenta. It's got some blues and purples and greens in there. Just a beautiful coin, but super hard to capture that color with the camera. So anyways, good job on your grades, Jake, and everybody else. Thank you for watching. Jake, I hope you don't mind that I basically shared your grades with all 200 and something of my followers. And by the way, I appreciate each and every one of you guys all the same. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for following. Please tell me what you thought in the comments. Like it, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And more importantly, have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. See you guys later.